Hello and welcome to 12.2 where we're going to describe some data collection. Hope you guys are all having a great time. Hope you guys are being safe. Today is March 19th, so we're getting ready to do another lesson. By now you should have done 12.1. Today we'll work on 12.2. So behind me I have some data that they've collected. What they did is they took data on daily temperature. It's over a number of days. Each one of the numbers here represents temperature for that day. So there's 25 or 30 different data points, which means they collected data over a long period of time, which also means that they have a good statistical question because their data varies. Not all the data is exactly the same. We learned that yesterday. Statistical questions. Okay, so when I look at data, what is it that I'm looking at? Today we're going to learn different ways that you can quantify your data, that you can measure it, that you can talk about it, that you can look at it. When you do your assignment, it's going to give you some data. It wants you to look at the data, and it wants you to tell the reader what it is you're looking at. Okay, so here's some things that we're going to talk about. First is attribute. So the attribute is what kind of data are you collecting? This attribute for this data is daily temperature, right? I'm looking at temperature, so my attribute is temperature. Next one is measure. What is it that I'm trying to measure? Am I measuring degrees Fahrenheit, like in this one? Or am I measuring inches or pounds? Or measure is just what it is you're looking at, how the data is quantified. Okay, different from measurement. Measurement is the numbers that you're using to show your data. So measure would be degrees Fahrenheit. Measurement would be the number that I actually put down. So 70, 75, anything between 30 and 80 looks like what my measurement is here. And then of course observations would be the amount, it's what you observed or saw when you were collecting your data. Okay, observations, in this case I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. I have 25 observations. On your assignment, you're going to list those 4 things: attribute, measure, measurement, and observations. I want you to look at your chart, and I want you to tell me what each of those 4 things are on the chart that you're looking at. So if I was doing this one, I would say attribute is daily temperature, measure is degrees Fahrenheit, measurement is, I'm using a thermometer, it's the degrees, it goes from 60 to 80, and then observations, I would tell you that there are 25. Okay, again, a pretty simple assignment today. Hopefully you're enjoying these at home. Hopefully you're watching the video on GoMath, and you are also watching the video that I'm giving. This video is good because you can stop and replay it anytime. If I'm going too fast, too slow, modify it. It's your work, do it your way. Okay, hopefully you're doing well. Excited that we could meet again. Again, reach out to me if you have any questions. Happy to answer emails. Don't forget to do the spiral review that's on the back. That counts as your warm-up. Tomorrow I'm going to have you guys do a station. Both 5th and 6th we'll start that. But also remember, you can work on science and you should be working on your math test. Okay, thank you for watching. Hopefully I kept this simple and easy to understand, and I look forward to when we see you next time. Thank you.